Welcome. In this video, we'll take a quick tour of one of MustWants' coolest features, visual mapping. This feature makes it super easy to see your ranked homes and add locations of interest that matter most to you, all in one interactive map. Let's jump right in. When you open the map up in the upper right-hand corner of your app, you'll see a clear overview of the ranked homes that match your criteria, pinned on the map. This lets you quickly spot which homes are close to your top locations, whether it's schools, work, gym, or favorite grocery store. And in this example, we're showing the hospital pinned. If I zoom in a little bit, you can see a school and a grocery store. You can easily visually understand the location of your ranked homes and your partners in a specific area. Sharing this with your chosen real estate agent allows your agent to clearly understand what your priorities are and better assist you in discovery of the right home. So that's how MustWants Visual Mapping feature gives you a clear, interactive view of your future home options in the best locations. Are you ready to map out your dream home? Download MustWants today and start exploring.